Hello, friend. Good morning, friend. Oh. Not a sealy seal. That is a sea lion. Yeah, even the sea lion thinks I'm an idiot. So, Stella the sea lion. No, well, now her name is Stella. How do you know?
Because it's so big. Plus 90% of the population is male.
You know, I'm really gullible. So, anyway, we're going to go kayaking today, and it's kind of warm.
Kind of warm.
And we're going to try out the motor today. We're not sure. So, my friend Tony bought this motor for his kayak, and he hasn't used it yet. And so, today, he brought it out for the first time ever. And we definitely got to work out. What?
Fucking pontoon broke.
Oh, no. Well, and with my friend, I really did enjoy hanging out with you for this last hour while we tried to figure the kayak out. Thanks for hanging out with me. Enjoy those 2 minutes. You were just oh, I'm so cold. Tony said it's real nice outside today. It is. Started at Santa Cruz Harbor, and then we got out into the ocean land, and it was freaking freezing, and water got all up into my butt, and it was so cold, and I was shivering, and I was pedaling, and it was really windy, and it was really sharp. So then we went to the wharf, and we sat down and we ate some sandwiches, and then we came back over here, and now it's not as choppy, because I was like really cold. Now it's nice, huh, Tony?
Not even using the motor.
Yeah, and then my butt is still wet though. But we were getting some real good speed, so all the waves were just crashing in on me, just crashing in. I got all wet. Is it possible for us to go under? It is possible. Hey, I thought you said it wasn't possible at first. You said I wasn't going to drown.
Yeah. Put the motor on here.
Put my library voice on today. Yeah, like the voice that's so quiet I could talk to the fish. Maybe you're not catching any fish because I'm so loud. My voice echoes and they think maybe it's a tsunami.
Fish are hard to catch.
I'm a hard catch. I'm using my boat. Okay, let's play I Spy on their boat. I Spy, look, they have surfboard. They have, is that a greenhouse or a doghouse?
That's just like the entry to the cabin.
Oh. Oh, it's a solar panel, I see it now. Not a doghouse.